across church.
Thomas, now you know.
See that motherfucker right there coming out the Thomas?
That water was only ankle deep. You could have brought them little niggas here home.
Yep. That's a big motherfucker.
See if I can get him on the camera.
How come that one ain't Jesus? He got him I'm hanging on for dear life. That's a Cuban spider right there. Get on a twig and ride for America.
I think the eye's almost over with.
Yeah, me too.
Ooh, look at the water. A little bit of storm damage. Ooh.
What happened to that big black ball?
I don't know. I'm about to go get that one though.